Welcome to the practical number 6 of Arduino based system design lab. So in the simulation session we have seen how ultrasonic sensor works and how that can be used with Arduino. So the same setup is connected over here. As you know that ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins. The pins are VCC, ground, trigger and echo. So as usual VCC and ground pins are connected to VCC and ground pins of Arduino board, and the echo and trigger pin needs to be connected to any of the digital I/O pins of Arduino. So here in the setup the trigger pin is connected to pin number 9 and echo pin is connected to pin number 10 of Arduino. So accordingly the setup is made. So as you know that ultrasonic sensor emits the sound wave at 40 kHz. So when the sound wave is emitted and if the object comes on its path, the wave is going to be bounced back to the echo pin of ultrasonic sensor, and according to the travel time and speed of the sound wave, the distance can be calculated. So how to calculate that distance using the formula that we have already discussed in the last session. So in the demonstration we will actually look that here we will vary the object on this range of centimeters. So already the numbers have been putted over here. So here I am going to vary the object along with this range, and here as stated earlier we have used the serial monitor to display the distance. So as discussed in an earlier part of serial communication, we can observe the same distance on a serial monitor. So here you can see that. Now the object is at, you can see, 16 centimeters. So here the ultrasonic sensor is kept at fixed position, and here this is nothing but the object. So object is present at 16 centimeter away from the sensor. So here using the Arduino Uno also reads that distance as a 16 centimeter. So you can see on a serial monitor. So if I change, so intentionally here the delay of 5 seconds has been put in to note the change. So here if I move the object further, let us say around 10, so you can see the Arduino Uno also reads that as a 10 centimeter. So after 5 seconds the next value will come. So that is up to you to keep the delay. So here after 5 seconds the 10 is going to come. If I make this object again away from the ultrasonic sensor, let us say at around 28 centimeters, then you can see here the Arduino Uno also calculates that as a 29 centimeter. So in this way the distance can be measured using the sensors. So we have seen the definition of sensor, use of sensor, how to do that. So it's just the demo.